Today guys, we're going to be fixing this drill. So I have my soldering iron here, my toolkit here, all the things that I need. And what happened to this drill is the button went bad, so I'm going to be replacing the defective button. This is it right here. I disassembled the button, yeah, and I'm going to be replacing it with this button. This button I got on eBay for like what, $7 or so dollars. Yeah, I think it was $7, I think. Yeah, so this is the button that I'm gonna be installing. Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, so here is the link to the drill button that I bought on eBay. You can just look for this seller and just obtain this drill button. The seller information is on your right, guys. Alright, so let's start editing. Okay, so I'm gonna desolder these wires. So this is the positive wire from the where the battery attaches. So I can find this battery here. Let's see the battery. Where is the battery for this drill? Alright, so I have another drill like this. I'm just gonna another drill like it. I'm just gonna use the battery. This one, not sure where I have the battery for this one, so I'm just gonna use this. Alright, so this battery is a 20 volt battery, and it this is how it attached. Yeah, this is a charger. So what I'm gonna do now, as mentioned, I'm gonna desolder these wires, because I have to attach these wires to the new button. Get my soldering iron here. Alright, so that's one out. Yeah. I need to remove the negative wire as well. Alright, so that's removed. This wire as well. If I can just, gonna do, because I don't want to move that that diode right here. I don't want to remove it, so I can take it up from the top. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so this is the light. I'm gonna look if I can get this installed on the button, but for now just gonna put that one side. Alright, so yeah, we need these as well. So these are the two wires that goes to the motor, negative and positive. So just gonna remove these as well. I think for this they're using electrical glue. it seems, yeah, it seems that they're using electrical glue. I'm gonna try and heat it to lift it, but I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna be able to. If not, we're just gonna cut the wires. Oh yeah. Seems that we're gonna have to cut these wires. Yeah. I'm using electrical adhesive for those. This is a razor right here. I'm gonna try see if I can lift it by sliding this razor in between. Nope. And that is not working. Alright, so it seems like we're gonna have to cut the wires, which I'm trying to avoid. Trying to avoid cutting the wires. Alright, it is not working, so yeah, we're gonna have to cut these wires. Most definitely gonna have to cut these wires. Alright, so to cut these wires, I'm gonna be using, I'm not seeing it there. Yeah, this regular nail clip. Just clip off these wires. Yeah, so over there. Alright, so for this button now, at the bottom is where we connect the battery terminal. So we have a, I'm sure if you're seeing it, we have a B negative and a B positive right there. B negative, B positive. So that is where we're gonna connect these two battery wires, and the black is for negative and the red is for positive. Let me just see how this connects. Oh, it's just sliding in. Alright. Alright, so we are going to be testing the drill. So we made our connections, positive, negative, yeah, and this side is positive of the drill button, and this side is the negative of the drill button. We made our connections to the motor, and this is the positive, negative, and so that's the negative, which is the black, and the positive, which is the red of our drill button. And this is our battery for the drill. So we're gonna be testing now our connections to see if everything is working as should. Just gonna slide this on to here, and as you can see, the motor is working wonderfully. Yeah, so that's it. We're good, guys. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna make in our connections. We're gonna be connecting everything back as should, and we should be good to go. For that part, I'm just gonna show you the finished product. Because pretty much straightforward from here. For this though, the light, I don't think I'm gonna be connecting this back, this LED light. No, I don't think so. So I'm just gonna leave it as should, and we should be good to go. Alright, thank you for watching, and as mentioned, I'm gonna show you the finished product. Alright. Yes guys, this is the final look at how things are reassembled. This is the button right here, and yeah, drill is working. I had to cut this out though for the new button to hold at the back here, and you can see that it's not completely sealed, but I'm just gonna put some tape here just to cover things up, or some silicone wrap just to cover things up. Drill is working though. Yeah, drill is working. Drill is working. Drill is working. Very good. So that's it guys, thank you for watching.